Hi, welcome back to my videos. Today's short video lesson will be about difference between words hare and rabbit. Serbian language also differentiates these two words, but most of us, when we talk about this, we say just rabbit, zec. In fact, rabbit in Serbian is kunić. It's the domesticated one, the one you usually see on commercials, on movies, the ones you usually have as pets. And hare is zec. It's the wild one, but we usually say zec on both of these. So it doesn't matter if you say imam zeca, I have a rabbit. People will usually know that you mean on the rabbit and not on the hare, that you mean on the domesticated one and not on the wild one.